We're out here this evening working on a 6120M, and I was out here the other morning on this tractor and they could not get it started. They turned the key on, the thing would light up, but then it wouldn't start. And they tried jumping it, didn't have any luck. So I come out here and finally used a pair of jumper cables on the truck plus a jump pack to finally get it started. The battery just completely, I think it's just shorted out and it was completely dead. Finally got it started and I went ahead and put a battery on it then. And after I got the new battery on, I was checking my voltage coming out of my alternator to see if that was working, to see why the battery had failed. And come to find out, the voltage was way too high, and I think the alternator just cooked the battery. Was original battery on the tractor. I think this is like a 16 or 17 model tractor. So the battery's getting pretty old, and then I think with the alternator overcharging just killed the battery itself. So we're going to go ahead and change out the alternator this evening. We had to order it, we didn't have one on hand. So I've already got the new battery installed. They're behind the steps on these. And so we're going to go ahead and just change out that alternator now. We're going to go ahead and disconnect the ground cable from the battery so we don't get any sparking. We're going to go ahead and pull the belt off first thing here. Slack on the tensioner. A couple connectors on the back side of the alternator. There's one connector there. One 15mm nut that holds the two wires on the back, the power wires. There is one idler that you have to take off here because the bolt that holds the alternator on is behind it. Take that one there off. There's the top bolt, 15mm and 16 for the lower. Top one has a nut, the bottom one threads into the housing. And it'll pop right out of there. So we do have to swap over the pulley on the top of the alternator here. And there is it's a overriding pulley, so it only turns one direction, and it takes a special key to get it broke free. It is a left-handed thread to get that loose. Like that, we're ready to put the new one on now. Go ahead and tighten up both the mounting bolts. Attach both of our cables on the back side. Don't give just a whole lot of room on these little 4-cylinders. They're good. Now we just got to put our idler back on. There we go. That's how you put it on there. So I went ahead and connected the battery. We're going to start it up and then we're going to check our voltage here at the alternator to confirm that we fixed our issue. that voltage right there that you've seen, that's a lot better than it was. We were around 16 volts before, and that's just too much for that battery. And so by putting the new alternator on, we fixed the issue. And if we would have just put the battery on it, we probably would have fried that new battery again, and it wouldn't have lasted long. So we've got the long-term fix on this tractor here. So we'll put this tractor back where the customer can start using it again.